Yo, what's up, Longhairs? Sicario here again with another super informative video for you boys. So today we're gonna talk about having maximum flow. That's the long hair on the head and the long hair on the face. We really harp on hair maintenance, keeping it controlled, keeping it looking good, and a lot of guys ignore 50% of the head, which is the face. You know, I'm kind of unkempt right now. I got the spit curls, I got the flyaways in the beard, I'm getting the split ends in the beard, which a lot of people don't talk about. It's getting out of control, boys. If you want to skip or just circumvent 70% of all your maximum flow problems, find yourself a sick barber. Personally, I don't like to cut my own hair because I'm too much of a dingus. I'm just scared I'm gonna mess it up. And you know, this was a lot of work getting this out here, so for me to just muck it up in one shot, I don't know, that's not for me. So today we're here at Lion's Mane Grooming Company, based in Little Italy in San Diego, California. We're actually right down the street from the original Ground Zero Longhairs HQ, where the dream was created. The homegirl Shelby's gonna get me all squared away, set me up for success. She's gonna take care of that 70% issues that I was talking about, and you know, just get me all dialed in, supremely dialed. Dude, I'm living everyone's dream. We're gonna go check out with Shelby now. When working with a barber, it's very important to make sure they're shear trained and have experience cutting long hair. Be sure to effectively communicate what you want. Here I tell Shelby I want to keep as much length as possible because I'm donating to the Great Cut in 2024. According to Shelby, bringing in something like a picture of what you're looking for is a great visual aid for your barber to work with. Here Shelby is partitioning my hair to make it easier to trim the ends. Sometimes guys think that when we say not to cut your hair, that also means no trims. In reality, trims are a crucial part of keeping your hair healthy and allowing it for it to grow to its maximum flow potential. Here she's putting my hair into an epic highball in preparation for my beard trim. Shelby's trimming my beard and just bringing my facial chaos under control. This is another time where communication is key. I like to have a more natural look, whereas some guys like a more angular Neo Geo style. It's important to note that your sideburns will reach terminal growth before the rest of your hair, and they tend to stick out. I personally prefer to just cut them off. Here Shelby lines me up with the clippers before moving on to my beard cleaning. Make sure not to open your mouth here unless you want bits of hair to chew on the rest of the day. And now on to shaving. Shelby adds an oil to my face to protect my skin from the razor. A hot towel removes things like dead skin, dirt, and excess oil. It also opens the pores and preps the skin for cleaning and shaving. Let me tell you boys, this feels like $1,000,000. And now one more hot towel to clear off the lather and bits of hair. Shelby applies a body and hair moisturizer to make sure my face stays dialed. Shelby blow dries and straightens my beard using a brush. She also rolls my beard out in order to correct the chin bump that beard guys get from wearing a mask. Now that my beard is done, Shelby washes and conditions my hair.
She asks me about my wash routine and gives me feedback. This is another sign of a good barber. Shelby mentions that washing too often can damage the scalp and eliminate your natural oils. However, not washing often enough can allow excess oil to build up, which can be a breeding ground for bacteria. Negative, not for me. Some guys think that visiting a premium barbershop is not worth the money, but let me tell you boys, you get what you pay for. Now all she has to do is brush out and blow dry my hair and I'm good to go.
Alright guys, so you just watched a master at work. I'm not paying for a trim, I'm paying for their years of experience to handle this, years of work that I put into growing my hair out. And I know that I'm in good hands. So I just want to thank Shelby for her time today. And if you're in the San Diego area, please come and check this shop out. Alright, out.
You don't have to be a certified hair genius to have epic long hair. If you want to learn more, come check out our blog. It's sick as f.